Hi everyone, I'm Ashley,
I'm Dr. James Harber.
and today we're introducing Cardiothread.
Cardiothread is heart cells on suture that's a personalized living surgical thread to repair the heart and inborn errors. The thread is going to deposit healing cells at the fusion site of new valves and older heart tissue. This is going to reduce scarring and functional healing time. Next slide.
On the left, you can see the Cardiothread would be spooled onto our spool pacemaker system, which is then fed onto the Da Vinci robot surgical arm with a needle driver attachment, which can then be manipulated by the surgeon during non-invasive heart surgery. And so our cardio thread project developed in stages. On the left, we produced a weak thread on fibrin, and in the middle, we grew cells on collagen, but it was not evenly coating the thread. So we finally produced an assembly system that actually allowed us to evenly coat collagen threads with beating cardiac cells.
And this process was greatly assisted by the fact that we had access to the Da Vinci itself. And here we're manipulating our models that led to a refinement process in the next slide that you can see involves various pieces, a weaver, assembler, pacemaker, and spooler to produce the cardio thread. The bottom panel are the actual parts that we had 3D printed and produced. We think this has applications also for ligament repair and other tissue transplantations. And thank you very much for your time. We are so excited to present this to you today.
Thank you.